morning everyone, day 2 of 3. We are leaving from Bajjar to Xlendi Bay the whole day. Now we are at a point very famous for divers. There's a very beautiful cave underwater, and you can find very deep waters here. This is the entrance for the cave. You can see it's full of divers, and now we'll have to continue on the cliffs. Today hopefully we don't have much bouldering, because yesterday it was very tiring, but we have to do all the calls, so whatever comes we have to do. Here we are going with El Mila. There is a nice arch. We will visit soon. Now we are getting near DWEJRA, and we'll have another short break. Behind me we have CNG. How are you, CNG?
Hello everybody!
From CNG Trek Ventures. He has a good YouTube on adventures. It's a little bit windy now, but the view, as you can see there, is inland sea. It's full of fishermen houses and boat houses, so they can store their boats. There are some dive centers. It's very popular here, and many people go boat tours from here. This is a small church. It's situated in DWEJRA, and here you can see all the cars full of diving equipment and divers. Again, this is the inland sea. From the tunnel there, one can go outside. There are boat tours that leave from here. There's a small bar here. You can have some beer. So let's go and enjoy a good beer. Maltese beer, yeah, cheers. We are leaving DWEJRA, heading to Xlendi. This fungus rock. Final in front of us we can see Xlendi, and we can take a bath because we have been walking from 9 a.m. this morning, and we are going to do about 20 kilometers today as well. So we are looking forward to go to our room. We are walking our last kilometers today. We should cover about 20 kilometers. Behind me there's Rainier, and at the back CNG with CNG Track Ventures doing this vlog as well. So let me show you the view we have here. Oops. In front of us that's Xlendi. Finally we arrived at day 2. Woo! From Marsalforn to Xlendi, around 20 kilometers. Was a little bit hard for me. I had some help from him as well. Thank you. And but everything that is a challenge is worth it doing. Yeah? How it was? Nice.
Yes, it was very challenging.
Scored.
It was a bit steep, the last bit,
Yeah.
but we managed to do it. Now we're going
To eat,
to swim,
eat,
shower,
ice
and
cream,
ice cream.
and eat, and shower. We said. Oh?
Yes.
Okay. Ciao. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.